Please, this cup, please.
Thank you.
At the end of the meeting of Progressive Governors Forum, we rose with a communique, which we are about to read now. The Progressive Governors Forum, PGF, convened its meeting in Benin City, Edo State, on 27th and 28th June 2025. The strategic engagement provided an opportunity for deep reflection on the nation's socio-economic direction, a reassessment of the subnational role in national transformation, and an affirmation of the Forum's commitment to the renewed hope agenda of His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR. In attendance were governors of the All Progressive Congress. The meeting created a platform to harmonize development strategies, reinforce party cohesion, and reaffirm their unwavering resolve to sustain progressive governance ideas that prioritize people-centered development, institutional accountability, and intergovernmental collaboration. The Forum formally welcomed His Excellency Pastor Umo Eno, the Governor of Akwa Ibom State, to the Forum. His decision, along with the teeming supporters from his state, reflect the growing national consensus on the transformative policies being executed under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's renewed hope agenda. The PGF noted that this widening of the progressive family is not only politically symbolic, but strategically consequential, as it signals a consolidation of reformist leadership across the South-South region. Forum congratulates Mr. President and his team, as well as commends the widespread endorsement across all fora led by the Progressive Governors Forum. The Forum undertook a comprehensive appraisal of the economic, social, security, and political trajectory of the nation. Members expressed satisfaction with the renewed coordination between the federal and state institutions, particularly the prioritization of fiscal reforms, food security, energy transition, infrastructural modernization, and social sector revitalization. The governors pledged the continued alignment with national objectives in line with preservation of our constitutional federalism. Acknowledging the early gains of macroeconomic stabilization policies, especially the removal of fuel subsidy, unification of exchange rates, and debt rationalization, the Forum supports strategic pivot towards social equity and inclusive prosperity. The governors emphasize that while economic indicators show signs of recovery, growth must now be further democratized through expanded investments in food security, job creation, poverty eradication, MSMEs, and social safety nets. The forum reaffirmed that subnational governments are critical engines for economic renewal and committed to deepening economic decentralization in line with Section 13 of the 1999 Constitution as amended, which mandates all levels of government to work together and promote the welfare of the people. The PGF welcomed the increase in fiscal transfers to states and the emerging investor confidence in Nigeria's economic outlook. With multiple APC-led states now attracting significant domestic and foreign direct investments, the forum acknowledged the efforts to professionalize procurement processes, digital governance systems, and enhance regulatory frameworks. The governors pledged to build on the momentum to deliver infrastructure that unlocks productivity and drives interstate competitiveness, security, and national stability. The forum commends our security agencies as well as the ongoing efforts in countering criminality and safeguarding national sovereignty. Governors reaffirmed their support for interagency coordination, community policing, and grassroots intelligence systems. The forum observed a need for greater investment in surveillance infrastructure and the welfare of frontline personnel. It expressed condolences to the families affected by insecurity, particularly the people of Benue and Niger states, and reaffirmed its collective resolve to support Mr. President's national security architecture, and also commend in a special way his recent action and visit to Benue State. Reinvigorating grassroots governance, the forum recognized the indispensable role of local governments and community structures in service delivery and democratic inclusion. Leadership, cohesion, and party renewal. With the recent influx of Nigerians, governors, National Assembly members, and other key stakeholders into the party, the PGF identified this as a clear affirmation of public confidence in the APC's leadership model and in the outcomes of the Renewed Hope agenda. The forum reaffirmed that the APC remains the most institutionally coherent political platform in Nigeria, with an unmatched record of reforms, electoral success, and national unity. The PGF acknowledged the resignation of the national chairman of our great party, His Excellency Dr. Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, in tandem with the party's continued evolution. The PGF reaffirmed its unshakable belief in a united, just, and prosperous Nigeria. It's committed to working collaboratively to deliver bold reforms, strengthen institutional trust, and accelerate socio-economic development across all geopolitical zones. The governors resolved to remain faithful stewards of the APC's values, leveraging state-level innovation, intergovernmental collaboration to drive Nigeria's transformation from bottom up. The forum encouraged all Nigerians, home and abroad, to rally behind President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, and the APC as the nation moves towards a more secure, inclusive, and forward-looking future. This remains the communique issued today, 28 June 2025, arising from the strategic meeting of Nigerian Progressive Governors Forum. Thank you. That Alhaji Aminu Dantata from Kano State, one of our leaders in the country, died this morning. While we were meeting, we got the information. So we want to observe a minute silence in his honor as a national leader. May the soul of Alhaji Aminu Dantata and the souls of all the faithful departed through the mercy of God rest in peace. Amen. Is there any one or two questions we want to take, or are you fine? I think I'm comprehensive enough and thorough.